Why you shouldn't rely only on AI like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Gemini when buying or selling a home. I'm Eve Metlis with Watson Realty with your Tuesday tip. In today's digital world, it's easy to consult AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok, or Gemini for fast answers. These platforms can be incredibly helpful for general information. But when it comes to buying or selling a home, especially in a state like Florida, relying on AI can cause confusion, legal issues, and unnecessary delays. Real estate is local and legal. Each state has its own contracts, legal standards, disclosures, and timelines. Florida real estate in particular has unique practices, attorney-drafted contracts, and often complex HOA regulations. AI tools are not trained on your actual transaction documents, nor do they know your local market or the specific legal framework of your deal. This means they can give guidance that directly contradicts the very documents that you're legally bound to. Here's a real-world example. In a recent transaction, the buyer of one of our listings ran nearly every decision in question through ChatGPT. Unfortunately, some of the information they received conflicted with the legally binding Florida real estate contracts they signed and the HOA documents, both written by attorneys and tailored to Florida law. On top of that, they were getting well-meaning but incorrect advice from out-of-state family members unfamiliar with Florida real estate laws or how HOAs operate in our area. This mix of misinformation created unnecessary problems that could have been avoided. Eventually, the buyer's agent's brokerage's attorney had to step in. The attorney made it clear, if the buyers refused to close based on the inaccurate guidance from ChatGPT and their out-of-state family, they could be sued, and we'd likely be responsible for covering the seller's legal fees as outlined in the contract. Only after that conversation did the buyers choose to proceed, and the transaction ultimately closed successfully. Trust your real estate professional. Using AI to explore real estate topics is fine, as long as it's not your only source of information. Your licensed real estate professional is there to guide you, protect your interests, and answer your questions based on experience and local law. After all, you hired them. Let them work for you. Buying or selling in Central Florida? We bring expertise, professionalism, and local knowledge to every transaction. Message me today to get the guidance you can trust. That's today's Tuesday tip.